be doing a butterfly cut today. I've been watching the Brad Mundo videos and I love the results. And so I'm hoping to add some layers to my hair, make it lighter, add some more body, and get rid of these dead ends. So I got my hair wet. I'm going to find the crown of my head using this and section off my hair into 2 ponytails. I sectioned off my hair starting at the crown of my head into 2 ponytails, 1 front ponytail and 1 high back ponytail. I'm going to pull this hair forward and down. I'm going to try to keep as much length as possible, but also have a noticeable difference. So here we go. I have some extra sharp scissors here, and done. I also have some thinning shears that will help blend it out. So I'm just going to do the tips here. And now I'm going to do the back. For the back, pull it up as high as you can get it. And I'm going to take a little bit more off the back because I had a little bit more length in the back before. So here we go. I'm going to pull this up. And yeah, it's really stringy in here. So I'm going to just take probably about that much off.
You can always cut more off later if wanted.
Here. All right, so I took about that much off. And I'll just give it a little snip with the thinning shears. Even it out a little bit here. I'm going to use the thinning shears to kind of, so it's not so blunt at the end. And let's see how this looks. One thing you probably want to do is even this out a little bit. So I'm going to blow it out and see how it looks. This is how it looks combed out and still wet. I haven't taken anything else off, but let's see how it looks all blown out and dry. Here's some heat protection. Here are the results of the Brad Mundo butterfly cut. It's the best haircut I've ever gotten. I don't think I'm going to the salon anymore. It's quick and easy and done.